So I'm gonna be fishing today the Missouri Creek. I'm not sure what it is, but it's in Transport, and my phone's at something percent, like 40%. So won't be able to record as much, but I'm gonna like keep adding and editing the video as we go through. Hopefully, I'm aiming to catch a carp because I brought bread, and probably I'm gonna do some waiting for the moment, and then after that, I'm gonna aim for smallmouth bass or something. We'll see what's there. And so then, stay tuned, guys. Thank you. So I apologize for how I'm showing my fish. Oh my god. Come on, guys. This is a fish. Oh my freaking god. Feels like a 3-pounder. And I had to walk this river and it was worth it. I saw a pike. Couldn't really, well, I scared it off. Now I'm here with a smallmouth bass. Oh my god. I'm standing on, I'll show you guys in a minute. Because this is the only spot I could like really spot them on. So this is my fish. What a beauty. Yeah. Thank you so much, God, for like this fucking fish, because this was awesome. So finally got out of the river. Finally in this park where I was kind of saying that there's no fish. So, well, there is, but I mean, there's no quality fish, I guess you can say. Yeah, it was another day of fishing. I mean, pretty worth it. Pretty nice so far. Using this reel again. Always my go-to combo. And we're gonna be heading home now because it's been like a few hours already. It took me a while to find like the spot, the honey hole, I guess you can say, where the fish were. And I do call it a honey hole because I did spotted a lot of carps in there, a lot of smallmouth bass, and it was pretty an intense experience once I got that fish on, because I haven't really catch anything that big for a smallmouth bass. They're all tiny, the ones that I caught at this place. Thank you very much for watching though, guys. Stay tuned and keep watching.